Life isn't happening to you, it's happening through you. Hi guys, it's Kristina here, and today is Tuesday, so it's time for another Lifesaver Moment. And today's Lifesaver Moment, the question is, does the intention deserve your attention? All right, does the intention deserve your attention? So a lot of times we want to sit here and get upset about what we believe somebody did, why we believe they did what they did, and what that might mean. Spending all that energy doesn't help you to reach your goal. So does it really require your attention? And did it really happen that way? Or were you already fixated on something that brought that to a reality for you? It's something to think about. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. Do you think someone's intention really deserves your attention? Or is it an opportunity to reflect on how you might want to adjust yourself moving forward? Whether that means cutting off, whether that means continuing to include, whether that means adjusting how you respond, how you navigate. What does that mean? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, see you guys next week for another Lifesaver Moment. And don't forget our adventures that we post every Sunday. DIYs and nature adventures. Bye.